In this video, we will show you how to use the live activity feature included with your Garmin Connect Plus subscription. For help purchasing a Garmin Connect Plus subscription, visit our FAQ. The live activity feature will allow you to use your compatible smartphone to view real-time data and videos for your indoor workouts when paired with your compatible smartwatch. You can even edit reps and weight throughout your workout and stop or resume your activity from your compatible smartphone. See the link in the description for a list of compatible devices. To begin an open-ended workout, such as a treadmill run, you will need your watch connected with the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Now, open the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone and set it where you are easily able to see the display. Then select the activity profile on your watch. In this example, we will use the treadmill profile. When you start the timer on the watch, you will see a live activity card in the Garmin Connect app. Tap this card to see your activity details. In an open-ended workout, you will see your activity stats and options to mark a lap or stop the timer. You can swipe the cards at the top to see more information, or select the arrows to expand the charts. When done with your workout, you can select Stop in the app. This will stop the timer on your watch. Here you can discard, resume, or save the activity. If you are doing a structured workout, you will see more options available when using live activity in the Garmin Connect app. In this example, we will be using an interval workout in the treadmill activity profile. You will see your activity status in the Garmin Connect app after starting your structured workout on the watch. You can also move to the next step in the workout, as well as seeing the upcoming steps. Swipe through the cards at the top to see your workout step details. Select Next at the bottom to manually move to the next step. When the workout is complete, you can stop the timer in the Garmin Connect app. This stops the timer on your watch. You can then discard, resume, or save the activity on your watch. In the last example, we will show you how to view workout animations using live activity. For this example, we have downloaded a strength workout using the Find a Workout option in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Check out our FAQ for instructions on downloading workouts. Begin by opening the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone and set it where you are easily able to see the display. Then start the workout on the watch and select the live activity card in Garmin Connect. Here you can see your workout stats. Swipe the cards at the top to see workout animations and primary and secondary muscle groups targeted in this workout. You can also select the Workout tab at the top to see the full workout steps for each round. Select the button at the bottom to move to the next workout step. In strength workouts, you can edit the number of reps and weight for the previous step during the rests. When your workout is complete, you can press Stop in the Garmin Connect app. This will stop your activity on your watch. You can then discard, resume, or save the activity on your watch. And that's it. You can now use the live activity feature included in your Garmin Connect Plus subscription. For more information, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.